Phase 1, the foundation. Phase 1 is not about massive action. It's not about grinding for 5 hours a day. That's how you burn out in week 2. Therefore, Phase 1 is all about fortification. You are building the unbreakable foundation upon which your entire transformation will stand. You are becoming a castle before the siege. This has 2 non-negotiable components. First, you must declare your winter identity. This isn't a goal like lose weight. This is an identity statement. Write this down. I am the type of person who dominates the morning, no matter how dark it is. I am the type of person who respects my body with clean fuel. Your daily decisions will flow from this identity. Second, you must engineer your environment for victory. This means an immediate winter purge. Get rid of the junk food in your kitchen. Delete the social media apps that suck your time. Set your thermostat to be slightly cooler to build resilience. You are making failure impossible and success automatic. Without this foundation, you are building on sand. The blizzards of distraction, the cold winds of doubt, they will knock you over, but with a fortified identity and environment, you become immovable. This phase feels slow, but it's what makes the explosive growth of Phase 2 possible. Now, fortifying your mind and space is the most important step, but it's only the beginning, because if you stop here, you've just created a peaceful prison, a comfortable cage. The real magic, the part where you truly transform from the person you are into the person you are meant to be, that requires you to enter the most intense part of the arc, a phase so powerful, it will test every single fiber of your being, and I need you to promise me you're ready for what comes next. Phase 2, the transformation. Welcome to the Crucible. This 45-day stretch is where the old you is melted down and the new dominant you is forged. This is where you earn your power. The comfort of Phase 1 is over. Therefore, in the Crucible, you will be implementing the rule of 3. Every single day you will complete 3 non-negotiable tasks. Not 10, not 5, 3. 1 for your body, a workout, a cold shower, a strict meal plan. 1 for your mind, 30 minutes of reading, a learning session, meditation, and 1 for your mission, the most important task that moves your primary goal forward. This creates a relentless, compounding effect. You are attacking every pillar of a powerful life, every single day. And here's the secret no one tells you. The conditions are perfect. The bad weather outside, it's your ally. It eliminates the temptation to go out and distract yourself. The darkness, it's your curtain, shielding you from the world as you focus on your craft. This is where you build undeniable self-respect. When you look out at a cold, rainy 5 a.m. morning and you still get your run in, you are sending a message to your subconscious. I am in control. Not my feelings, not the weather, not my comfort. I am. And that, my friend, is the foundation of true dominance. This phase is difficult by design because what is earned easily is valued lightly. And that feeling of absolute control, of being the undisputed commander of your life, is addicting. You'll start to crave it. But here's the danger, and this is the trap that catches 90% of people who even make it this far. What happens when the Crucible ends? What happens on day 76? Without a final master phase to lock this in, this entire transformation can unravel in a matter of weeks. All that progress, gone, which is exactly why the final phase is the most crucial of all. Phase 3, the legacy. Phase 3 is called Emerge. This is not a cooldown, this is the final strategic lock-in. Your goal here is to make your new identity permanent and to integrate your power into the real world. You do this through 2 powerful actions. First, you become the teacher. Share what you've learned. Coach a friend. Make a video. Post about your journey. When you teach the principles of discipline and growth, you cement them in your own mind. You solidify your status as an authority. Second, you perform your first power test. This is where you intentionally step into a slightly uncomfortable social or professional situation and operate from your new confident identity. It could be leading a meeting, asking for that raise, or simply holding stronger eye contact. You are taking the internal strength you built in solitude and manifesting it externally. This phase bridges the gap between the person you became in the Crucible and the person you will be for the rest of your life. You are no longer just doing a challenge. You are being a powerful individual. When the first day of spring arrives, you won't be starting fresh. You'll simply be revealing a new dominant version of yourself to a world that slept through the winter. Now look back at the last 8 minutes. Your path is clear. Fortify, transform, emerge. This winter arc is your blueprint. You have the exact system to turn the coldest, darkest season of the year into the most productive and powerful period of your life. And the clock is still ticking. Winter is coming. But now you're not afraid of it. You're ready for it. You will not be the same person on the other side. You will be harder, sharper, and more in command of your destiny. Now, your internal foundation is set. But dominance isn't just an internal game. It's how you carry yourself. It's how you command a room without saying a word. Therefore, if you're ready to complete the picture and learn how your new powerful mindset can be amplified through your physical presence, you need to watch this next. I've put together a video on dark body language hacks for instant respect. It's the perfect companion to your winter arc, and it's waiting for you right now. Click it on the screen, and I'll see you over there.